setting. Starting yarn hook supply yarn, chain 1, single crochet in the magic ring, six single crochet in the MR, pull the tail, one single crochet the first SC stitch, mark the first stitch, make sure the magic ring is closed. Also hide the extra yarn at the same time. One single crochet in same stitch. Two single crochet in next single stitch. It is also called one increase. Repeat this pattern 3 more times. Total 6 single crochet increase. After completing this row, we will get total 12 single crochet stitches. Cut the yarn. Insert the needle through the second stitch. Now insert it through the middle of both loops from the last stitch. Now secure your yarn by hiding it into stitches. You can keep the extra yarn and use it for stuffing. Make another piece. Chain 1, 2, one double crochet in same stitch. Again, one double crochet in same stitch. Chain 2, slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in same stitch. Chain 2, slip stitch and next stitch. Repeat this pattern till the end. At the end of this row, we will get 12 petals. Now place the hair tie between 2 petals. To secure the hair tie, apply a little amount of glue and permanently join the tie and base together. Slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn, hide the yarn using a needle. If this content was a little bit helpful for you, so you can like my video and subscribe my channel for more tutorials.